To build the cabinet frame, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert the cam lock screws into the pre-drilled holes on the left side slab. Step 2. Align the left slab with the back slab and slide the cam lock screws into the matching holes on the back slab. Step 3. Attach the two support bars to the left slab, tightening their screws until the bars sit flush. Step 4. Position the right slab, slide it onto the support bars and the back slab, and lock it in place to complete the frame. To build the door assembly, follow these steps. Step 1. Screw the L-shaped locking bracket into the pilot holes on the front support bar. Step 2. Attach two hinges to each door, securing them with the provided screws. Step 3. On the locking door, position the lock mechanism so the key faces upward and screw it firmly into place. Step 4. Align each door with the side slab using the pre-drilled hinge holes. And drive the hinge screws, ensuring the doors swing smoothly. To attach the top to the cabinet or credenza, follow these steps. If you're assembling the cabinet, Step 1. Position the top panel so its pre-drilled holes line up with the holes in the support bars. Step 2. Place a washer on each provided bolt. Then drive the bolts up through the support bars and into the top until snug. If you're assembling the credenza, Step 1. Align the top panel with the credenza frame, making sure all edges sit flush. Step 2. Place a washer on each provided screw. Then drive the screws up through the support bars and into the top until tight. The top is now securely fastened. Your cabinet or credenza assembly is complete.